Hey guys, I'm bringing you along. I found this hack online. Not sure if it's a hack or just something I did not know. Stopped by Harbor Freight. Shout out to Harbor Freight. And for some CRC QD electronic cleaner. What I'm experiencing in Hakeem, which is, if you're new here, my Highlander. He's kind of considered a senior citizen with close to 257,000 miles on the dash. But here's my situation. Turn the radio on, and we're getting a little bit of random play. It doesn't, I'm spinning, it should go down, spinning back up. If I go slow, it kind of jumps all over the place, right? So we're gonna turn that off. They said that if you put the QD electronic cleaner over the button, so I'm gonna pop it out. That's where I'm supposed to spray. We're gonna spray. Spray and pray. Get the cap off, don't break the straw. We'll see what we got. Okay, straw's off, tape's fine. All right, that's what we got here. Oh, let's try this. Well, the straw don't want to go in the hole. Okay, there we go. Now we're ready. Okay. Put that, line that back up. I think that may be a winner, guys. I'm gonna do a little bit more. What do you know? Good hack.